team, yada yada. Listen, my last delivery crew got vaporized en route to Venus, so we're way behind schedule. Your 30 hours of orientation training had to be cut to 10 seconds. So move it. The duck will teach you how to scan.
All right, recruit. Scan those packages with your skin. Just aim and hold it. Hey! Now, is that? Now listen here, Buster. Stop it! You've got a big order today, so go scan packages somewhere else. What a way to run a railroad.
Looks like your first deliveries are here in Cartoon Junction. Just scan all those targets. Hey, pay attention. You got an in-home delivery coming up.
Wait. That dog's about as sharp as a bag of camels. Pay attention, son. I'm a rooster, not a dog.
Next stop is all the way in Tasmania. Oh boy.
Maybe you need a nice, juicy, doinky surprise. What a maroon.
You're behind schedule. This next delivery is to our most loyal customer, so don't mess this one up. Cleared to exit Earth's orbit.
Where's the kaboom? There's supposed to be a earth-shattering kaboom. Duck Dodgers.
Look, there just ain't enough room for the two. Of course, you realize this means war.
Oh, goody. You landed on Mars.
Can't blow up the Earth. All the people I know are there.
It's obstructing my view of Venus. Halt and be fricasseed.
Fortunately, I'm wearing my disintegration-proof vest. You're despicable. A little help, please?
Where'd you go? Mars? Oh yeah, there's one last delivery stop, so scan as much as you can. This route ain't over till the fat pony sings.
I will do it with my spirit magic helmet. Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal.
Check me dispatch control. Well, at least the delivery trucks didn't get hit by a disintegration ray this time. Nice work. So that's good enough to award you Employee of the Month. Congratulations. Just don't expect to get paid or anything like that. Dispatch control out.